This video will give you a high-level overview of how LMN is used for snow and ice removal work. Snow work falls under the recurring job type in LMN and follows a similar workflow to other maintenance jobs. But snow work carries extra risk and can be unpredictable. That's why LMN has snow-specific features like flexible billing, clear contracts, job routes, digital snow binders, as well as liability protection by using the Crew app to track your work. Let's look at how these features are incorporated into your daily workflow. Again, this is similar to other maintenance work, but there are some key differences. Starting with your account settings. To begin selling snow services, you'll need to have them set up on the back end. Complete these steps first to help track your costs and prep you for snow estimates and contracts. If you plan on billing customers by depth of snow that you clear, you'll start here by setting up each service several times, one for each depth increment. Note that each is billed per visit and the schedule type is manual. With your account setup complete, you're ready to reach out to leads and build estimates. When you make a snow estimate, you'll be assigning it to the snow division, then applying the template with the services you just created. Then, like any estimate, you'll adjust the line items based on the client's needs and the values based on job site measurements. You can choose any billing type, but since depth-based billing is unique to snow work, we'll use that here. Remember that I made my plowing service 3 times, one for each depth. And also that it's billed per visit. These are all on the estimate, but crews on site will only clock into the one that matches the actual snow depth, and only completed services will be invoiced. You'll want to finalize estimate settings and terms in order to set billing expectations and clarify service triggers. This protects you and makes billing expectations clear. With all of that done, you're ready to send it to the client for their approval. After a client approves an estimate, be sure to lock it so no further changes can be made, and set a to-do for your operations manager to take it from there.
Hey, I'm the ops manager. I see I've got a to-do here to set up this snow and ice job. First, I'll go to the estimate and click on Create Job. Then I'll set it up so our crews know just what to do. I'll start by creating the digital snow binder here in the job files. Digital binders are just a reference package for snow crews on site, making it clear what to do and how to do it. It's a best practice to include an annotated site map like this one, clearly showing how to plow, where to pile snow, and where to shovel and salt. For depth-based billing, I'll make it easy on my crews by merging the tasks I made by depth increment. That way, they clock in easily to one clear task and indicate the depth after when they confirm the completed service. After that, I'll also want to be sure to track materials on this job since salt is one of the largest expenses in snow contracts. By doing this, my crews will be tracking how much salt is applied using the Crew app. The last thing I'll do to prep this job is add it to a job group. Since we can't schedule snowfall, we can at least have our routes planned out. I'll be sure to optimize the route so we're always completing our jobs in the most efficient order.
With all that set up, you're ready to go at the first sign of snow. Look, here's some now.
This snowfall is the contractual trigger to start plowing. My plow drivers can clock into routes on the Crew app and get to work. I can keep an eye on their progress using the live job tracking screen. Notice I've set the time intervals to hours rather than days for updates in a snow event. I'll coordinate as needed. Customers will be able to see their service history and crew photos through the portal as well.
Hey, it's your crew lead. Now that it's snowing, I'll select my designated route and get started. Once I arrive at my first job, I'll clock into my plowing task. I've got access to the digital binder here to ensure I'm completing work as laid out by my ops manager. I'll take before and after photos, and I'll be prompted to record how much salt I applied. Since we're billing by depth, when I clock out, I'll confirm which of the depth increments I completed. Our time-stamped site photos and weather log will corroborate the depth and time.
As your crews complete snow work in the field, invoicing, timesheet approval, and payments are all carried out as usual back in the office. There you have it, a high-level overview of how LMN is used for snow. Be sure to use these features to mitigate risk and plan ahead as you prepare for winter. There's more to it than that, but that's all for now. Don't forget to check out the Help and Resource tab for detailed walkthroughs, articles, and support.